So you just deleted some photos, files, songs, or maybe something else, and now you want to find the recycle bin on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra or Plus. Here's how you can find it quickly. So first, if you deleted photos or videos from your gallery, just open the Samsung Gallery app, then tap the menu button at the bottom. And here we'll see the trash option. Just open it and you will find all your recently deleted photos and videos. Now, if you're looking for deleted files, documents, or songs, maybe something else, open the Samsung My Files app, scroll down a little, and you will see the trash option there as well. Just open it to see the file you recently deleted, and if you want to restore something from here, just press and hold the file, then tap Restore. Keep in mind that item stays in the trash for up to 30 days, and after that, they will be permanently deleted automatically. And that's it. That's how you can find and recover deleted files from the recycle bin on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.